Okay, so I bought the 53 quart power, Setpower. This is the second one I bought. The first one was a 40 liter. This one is a 53 liter. I've got it set on 0 degrees. We're showing 2 degrees. It's been sitting in the heat in the truck all day. We're still at 0 degrees. I have ice cream. Ice cream's froze. I have water in the fridge side. Water still liquid. So, Setpower 53 liter. It says it ranges from 0 to 50 degrees. I keep it at 0. It fluctuates by maybe a couple. It was in the heat when I got to the truck. It was 4 degrees. So for a truck to be closed up in the sunlight, as you can see, and still be at 4 degrees, it's pretty good setup. You cannot hear it run. It keeps the refrigerator stuff separate from the freezer. As you can see, the refrigerator, the ice water in the fridge was still liquid. The stuff in the freezer was frozen. I definitely would recommend it. This is the second one I bought. If you need a good RV or something to go on a picnic or a trip with, your Setpower is definitely the way to go. See if I can get it on here. Setpower, there you go. Temperature, you have your max and your eco. You can change it right here with the setting. Go to eco or max. You change your temperatures here and your power. Definitely I recommend it. I would buy it again. I have bought it again. So definitely worth your money. $339. The only regret I had is right after I bought this one for $339, there was a $30 coupon and I couldn't get to it. But anyway, definitely worth the money at $339. Definitely an asset. I drive a truck, 18 wheels on the road. I keep my frozen stuff in here for food and stuff. So yeah, definitely a very good investment.
The ice cooler makes noise all the time. They said it was quiet, but this is not a quiet cooler. The capacity is not all that big either. I'm housing a bunch of crabs in here. So you can see, and it ices up. I didn't anticipate that it would be, I would have to be defrosting the cooler. I don't like defrosting refrigerators. Although it's nice. This is the 30 quart, and I really expected it to be a little bit bigger than this. So, it said 30 quarts, but the part that's the freezer from here to here is not 30 quarts. So 30 quarts probably need from here, from the empty component to the freezer, from the refrigerator component to the freezer. So, although it's a nice freezer, it's well built. You can hear this squeaking throughout the house. It's early in the morning, it woke me up. The battery pack also gets very hot. So,
Setpower 32 quart refrigerator cooler. I'll go over the bad things and then go over the good things. The bad thing is these adorable little buttons for fitting in your bottles of champagne or vodka or whatever. If they're not that exact width and they shift in there a little bit, it does not line up with this and it won't close. It's absolutely ridiculous that this isn't recessed just a little bit so that if they shift, it doesn't go. But that's about it. It's kind of heavy on the compressor side, but other than that, it's pretty stout. Good things, comes with this basket, and it has a divider that I do not have in it right now, but it has a light when plugged in. It has a good gasket all the way around. The lid is very sturdy, and it's actually filled with foam so you can stand on it. I put this in the bow of my 25-foot Yamaha boat just in front of my filler cushion, and it fits perfect. Here's what the power source looks like for the 110, reduction to the 12 volt. On the back side here, it has your fuse and your power plug spot. If that power plug spot gets pushed in, this panel here can be removed by screws, and you can get to your compressor and fix anything there. I put on floppy handles so it fit better. The others are really nice and heavy duty sturdy handles, but this makes it so it slides right in my bow. I got it for $169 on Prime days, but it's a good deal.
It's more clear.
Everything nice and cool. "37 degrees and had it on all night."
Just started it up.